coaches there.
This is a K1 bout, 3 rounds, 2 minutes each. Reintroducing in the blue corner, he is representing SKA. His name is Dan Evans. And in the red corner, he is representing Combat Academy Burton. His name is Yanis the Viking Darznieks.
Yeah, this looks like it's going to be a good fight.
You can sense heavy low kicks coming.
Round 1.
Both men touch gloves. Heavy low kicks, start.
Oh.
Yeah, exchange of the heavy low kicks. Little wardrobe malfunction.
Big fights at JackHammer UK. Let's bring it on.
Here we go again.
Oh,
Both men trying
nice
to
kick
land
from
heavy
both lads
kicks.
there. Heavy hands coming in. Oh, from
Big
both.
shots here landing. It is going down.
Yeah,
Lads
both.
just charging in there, I think.
Yeah, both throwing heavy hands there. Not sure if I see this going all 3 rounds, to be honest. Yeah, heavy hands coming in from Dan.
Ref stopping time here. I think just giving him a second to relax. Just trying to add a little bit of composure to it. Yanis looking for that heavy low kick, but Dan steps out of the way.
Yeah, heavy low kick from Dan. And again, chopping those legs. And again.
Oh.
Both men throwing heavy hands. Yeah, Dan's going high with the hands and chopping the leg.
Both men swinging hard shots
Janice
here.
replies.
Whoa.
Beautiful right hand. Yeah, very evenly matched these two.
Oh, and a head kick. There's a count there for that head kick at the bell.
Yeah, perfectly timed.
Dan finding rage here with the roundhouse from the front
Yeah,
leg.
I think Janice needs to be careful when he's coming in because he's getting caught.
Oh! Big shot from Yanis. All it takes is one shot. He needs to be careful here now.
Yeah, Dan's still looking very composed, calm.
Definitely. Nice body shot there too. Giannis been a bit more sensible here with the guard. Nice slow kick.
Nice head kick again.
Whoa.
Janice still working though.
Nice low kicks traded by both men. More heavy leg kicks. There's a slip there. There's a slip and we go again. Whoa!
Beautiful right hand.
Whoa! Giannis definitely carries power. He just needs to be careful himself. Dan firing back.
Yeah, Dan firing back, catching him there. Janice has really good hands though. Just needs to stay a little bit more composed so he doesn't get caught as he's coming in.
That's a nice double low kick there.
Yeah, these two are leaving it all in there.
Both men giving it everything here. The thing is, when both fighters go at it like this, anything can happen. Nice knees there from Dan.
They're both throwing heavy.
Oh, chopping leg kick.
And that is time, end of round number 2.
Yeah, very good match.
All I gotta say to that one was, ouch! Round 3!
Here we go. Last round coming up.
Yeah, third and final round here.
And see who has more of an engine here. Nice
Yeah,
heavy
Dan
low kick by Dan to start
Yeah,
off.
Dan chopping those legs.
Giannis starting to move his head a little, but then rushes forward.
Janice needs to be careful as he runs in with those hands.
Both men need to be careful here. Spinning back kick attempt. A duck under a roundhouse. It is all happening.
Nice head kick. Yeah, both fighters need to keep their hands up. It's a very unpredictable fight.
Whoa!
Not long left now of this third round.
That looping overhand right, just struggling with the distance. Dan, the taller fighter, tried to keep him away.
Yeah. Janice is just slightly missing with them hands.
Whoa.
Big leg kick. And he tries again.
Both men are feeling it now.
Yeah, they're both leaving everything in the ring.
Oh! Clash of heads there, I think.
Janice needs to be careful as he's throwing his hands.
Nice knee from Giannis. Nice right hand from Dan. Who can finish stronger here? Whoa! Big shots.
10 seconds left.
Both men absolutely feeling this. It's been non-stop since the first round. Nice 1-2 from Dan.
And that is time! Wow! And the decision is in. Your winner by unanimous decision is in the blue corner, Dan Evans!
Dan picking up the win there, just a little bit more composed, I think.
Yeah.
Great heart shown by Giannis, though.
Next, we're going into a boxing fight, which is for a British title.